Assalamualaikum students, how are you? I hope you all will be fine. I am your English teacher. Please open your book of Junior English 1. This is book of Junior English 1 and open page number 52 of this book. First of all, prepare page like this way. Look at here, prepare page like this way. What date is today? Today is Monday, 11th January 2021. After preparing page like this way, today our topic is using do and does. Today we will learn about do and does. First of all, students, a part is given here. Fill each space with do or does. Look at here, so do is here. First of all, I am going to tell you where do we use do. We use do when we speak of more than one. When we are talking about more person, more things, we use do. We use do. Always use do with I. I am writing I will use I do. I will use I do. Like this way, when I am talking about he, she, it, it's mean I am talking about one person on one thing. We use DOES does when we speak of one person or thing. One person or thing, we will use does. We will use does. More than person or things, we will use do. One person or thing, we will use does. Okay students, look at here. Before starting this work, first of all, I am repeating again. I will use do with I do, you do, he is here, he means we are talking about boy, she is here, we are talking about girl, male, female, and it, we are talking about things, we will use one thing, we will use does, DOES does. More than one, we do, you do, they do. Okay students, let's start part A. Number 1, first is Martin dash his exercises every morning. You will have to select one. What will you have to select? Martin is the name of boy. This is one person, so for one person we use does. DOES does. DOES does, write like this way. Next one is many people. Many people mean we are talking about more than one person. We are talking about more persons dash exercises to keep fit. Many people, we are talking about more persons, so we will write here do. We do exercises to keep fit. Number 3 is I hope you is written here. That is why I will dash well in the test. You is here. I will write do. We always do with you. Our dog is here. Dog is one thing. It's mean we are talking about one animal. Dog. But our dog dash like a meaty bone. Our dog is one animal. So I will write here DOES does. I will write here DOES does. Number 5 is Susan and I dash our homework together. There are 2 persons. I is here. I will use do. There are 2 persons. I is here. That is why I will use do. These 2 persons are doing homework together. Henry is one person dash his best to keep the garden tidy. Henry does It means she does. She wants to do his best to keep the garden tidy. She does. Henry is one person. Henry does his best to keep the garden tidy. B part, look at B part is here. Don't, do, and comma T. Don't is a short form of do not, and doesn't, DOES, does, and comma T, doesn't, is a short form of does not. Follow the same rules. We will have to follow the same rules to do this B part, that is here. So we will have to select one. Do not, don't and doesn't mean don't. We will write don't for more than one person, and doesn't we will write doesn't when we are talking about one person. More than one person, we will write don't, and when we are writing about and talking about one person, we will write here doesn't, don't, and doesn't mean they don't want to do this kind of work and activity. We dash go to bed very early in the summer. They are talking about they. It's mean कि we don't do, and comma T, don't go to bed very early in the summer. Number 2 is the shop. We are talking about shop. Shop is one thing, so that is why close till 6 o'clock. I will write here does, doesn't, DOES, does, and comma T, doesn't. Jane dash like washing up. Jane is a girl. We are talking about one person, that is why I am writing here doesn't. Doesn't mean Jane doesn't want to like washing up. Jane doesn't like washing up, DOES, and comma T, doesn't. Number 4 is you will miss the bus if you will miss the bus if you is here, that is why I will use you don't, HURRY, hurry, you, and comma T, you don't. You don't. You, do, and comma T. Next one. I dash go to the cinema very often. Cinema is a place where we go to watch movie. I is here. I will use I don't, DO, do, and comma T. Colin is one person. Dash want any breakfast this morning. I will use doesn't, DOES, does, and comma T, doesn't. Okay students, like this way you will have to complete this page. After doing this page number 52 of Junior English 1 on book, you will have to write part A in Notebook of English Grammar. Okay students, prepare page of English literature like this way. Open Notebook of English Literature, write date, topic is DICTAT and dictation. First word is middle, second is CURL, girl, MIDDLE, middle, and third is heard, 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 and fourth is up, STAIR, stairs. These are dictation words you will have to learn and write in Notebook of English Literature. If you are feeling any difficulty in doing this work, you can discuss with me. Thank you so much.